YouTube? Okay, so today we're going to be doing an experiment. All you'll need is some water and something, like any size jar. I just wanted it to be big. Some vegetable oil, food coloring, and something to pour it into here. Okay, so start by opening your vegetable oil and pouring it in. Okay. It doesn't matter how much you use. I'm going to use all of these different colors. You can only use one or more or whatever. It's just, I think it'll look cooler this way. So do a few drops of each. This will be, oh crap. This will be the stuff that looks like your fireworks. Oh, did I tell you what we were doing? Okay. So our vegetable oil, as you see, they just are balls. And if you put it in water, it would like separate, you know? 1 second. I spilt. Okay. Now I need to put this back. Okay, now let's do our red. You can do as many drops as you want. The more you do, the more colorful and cool it'll be. You want to spread it out so there'll be different like colors, and it's not just one place with colors. They start to sink to the bottom, as you see. Well, I don't know if you could see since you're above.
Oh, because they can see kind of, I think.
Okay, let's do a few more drops of yellow.
You can't tell what color it is right now. They're all dark except for the yellow.
The yellow's like orange in there.
Yeah.
Let's do a couple more red.
It looks kind of like a ladybug.
Oh yeah. Oh, so if you do them too close, they do combine, so I have kind of a weird color right now, I think, unless it was the same color, but I'm not sure if it was. Okay. Now that you got all of your things in, you're going to dump it. I'll let Brooke do it.
Can I just dump it like...
Yeah.
Whoa! It didn't look like fireworks, but it looks cool.
It didn't do it right this time. Well, it was kind of cool. It didn't work this time. Oh, look. See, they're in
that's really cool.
that, and they should be falling out. Stop dumping it. I don't know if you can see this, but like get a light and flash it by it. They're like breaking, like put it right there. They break and go down, and it looks really cool. Well, not really. A flashlight.
I don't have the flashlight.
Then hold this.
Payday?
Hold this. I'll try it. How do you get out of it?
Press home.
What?
Press home.
No, it doesn't. It didn't let me. What has flipped around? It's so cool.
You're supposed to pour it in slowly.
Well, anyway, I can't find a light, but it looks cool. They're still going down. I recommend.
It seems like it'd be in your body.
I recommend trying this at home. So yeah, it's really cool. Up at the top, there's still things. It looks cool. So yeah, try it. Yeah. Peace.